stick right where you coming over to right now too. Stick comes way out there. Get him. What in the world? Is that a bug? Yeah, it's a bug. Oh, got him. Fish got him. That was so cool. You see that? I got that on video.
You get on video?
Yeah. It was a cicada.
Something that hit mine.
It was a cicada. Man, that got him. Oh my goodness. Missed him. Unbelievable.
Cool.
A cicada fell in the water. A bass got it. I was reeling in. I just missed the fish. It's gracious. I need to get back in there is what I need to do. That fish is still there. I know he's still there. Got him. Got him. Small one. You got one? Doubled up. Double up. Both small ones. Got him though.
Double up.
This one's right in the tongue. You got the same. Oh, you got a. Hold on a second. A little bit smaller, but you got the same size. But we doubled up. Get this thing off and throw it back in the water. Get off the hole a little bit. It's gracious. That was probably one of the fish. He probably had a cicada in his mouth. One of them did. Tore this worm up. Goodness.